Hello, my name is Saturnina Martins. I am a nurse and pedagogue, a master in administration and a doctor student in production engineer. Professor Dr. Pedro Oliveira Costa Neto is my doctor advisor. This title of my article is Influence of Technology and Quality Management on the Work of Nurses Working in Hemodialysis. Schedule: Introduction, Objective, Methodology, Results, Conclusion, References. Currently, the importance of technology and quality management is observed in various environments, in industry, commerce, health, among others. The contribution of technology in the health are related to the development of biosensors and intelligence products, which facilitate communication between the real and the virtual world. In relation to quality management, it is observed that this is often cited as an strategic option to acquire competitive advantages. With regard to hemodialysis services, many technological innovations related to equipment were developed and the new treatment modalities and strategies were introduced. Nurses who work in hemodialysis have a specific challenge to monitor the procedure with its quality-wide complexities. Objective: the aim of this article was to identify the influence of technology and quality management on the work of nurses working in hemodialysis. The guiding questions of the student is: will technology and quality management influence the work of nurses working in hemodialysis? Methodology. The methodology which was explored field research with a quality approach through multiple case studies. It was indicated as an inclusion criterion that the participants should be nurses who worked in accredited hemodialysis clinics. That is, who had a quality management seal. Table 1 indicates the distributions of the research fields and the research subjects. Interviews were conducted with nurses who work in hemodialysis clinics, located in the city of Passos, Minas Gerais, São Paulo and Sorocaba, located in São Paulo. Hemodialysis clinics were categorized into HDA, which means accredited hemodialysis. Nurses were categorized as N and F. The methodological sequence can be seen in this scheme. First, a search was performed in the Lilacs, Medline, and Cielo databases. The descriptors, technologies, quality management, hemodialysis, and nursing work were used. After researching theoretical references, field research was carried out in March of this year. 7 nurses were interviewed through the WhatsApp applications. The question made in the interview was how technology and quality management influenced the nurses' work. Data analysis was performed through the subject speak. Results. Through the results obtained by questions, how technology and quality management influence the work of nurses working in hemodialysis. It was observed that technology influences the nurses' work, facilitates communications with the work team, providing access to protocols and internal standards. In relation to hemodialysis machines, they provide right patient safety. The technology also facilitates the organizations of patient data and improves interactions with the multidisciplinary team. The authors Low and Chain and Secretary et al. Reinforce through the literature that technology is a support tool for nurses, increasing the efficiency and even the quality of care and patient safety. Continuing the results regarding the influence of quality management on the work of hemodialysis nurses, we observe that quality management facilitates the work process through continuous provides management, assists in the management of inputs used for the hemodialysis procedure, avoids waste, encourages the practice of improvement through the continuing education of the nursing staff. It offers nurses care based on maximum effectiveness, efficiency, and effectiveness in hemodialysis treatment, enables assertive decisions in the work process developed by nurses. Through the literature, the author Lehman describes that the principles of quality management are used to plan, identify, and control process, promote environmental, organizations train women resources, perform critical analysis, meet customers' requirements, and promote continuous improvement. Conclusions. Through the research carried out, it was possible to see that both technology and quality management positively influence the work of nurses who work in hemodialysis. The technology reduced the workers' work block, optimizing the time spent on patient care. It is not true words that the technologies used in hemodialysis machines and equipment for the procedure provides nurses and patients with great secrets, creating prospects for improving the quality of life and patient safety. Regarding quality management, the influence is positive because the standardizations of procedures facilitates the nurses' work processes indicating assertive decisions, seeking continuous improvements, reliability and stability in relation to the developed techniques, equipments, and research used by nurses in the provision of assistance. Some references used. I would like to thank you for the opportunity, and if there is any questions, I would like to respond via chat or by email, if there is a possibility. Thank you very much.